Very first online video tutorial, hopefully one of many. Today we're going to be focusing on Windows 8 and some things that people are kind of confused about when they just first get started with Windows 8, and that's how to get back to this user interface for starting programs. A lot of different companies have come out with new start menus and stuff like that to take the place of the old Windows 7 start menu, and until Windows fixes it, we just recommend people get used to the new user interface because it's not going away. They may put back in a start menu, but for the time being and even in the future, this is the direction that Microsoft is going. So we're going to show you a couple different ways to get back to this screen. First of all, most of us will be basically going to the desktop and doing different things on the desktop, and the question is now, how do we start another program back on that user interface? How do we get back to it? Well, the most simple way, the thing that we recommend the most, is to go and just hit your Windows key. On the bottom left-hand corner of almost all keyboards, there is a Windows key. It looks like the Windows symbol, and basically it looks like this right here. And just press that key and it will bring you right back to this menu, the new user interface that you can scroll back and forth and launch your programs from. Now, I did basically just show you another way of getting back to this screen, and that's by using the new charms. And the charms window, basically you bring your cursor all the way up to the top right hand corner of your screen and your charms will show up, and as you scroll down, one of them is the start charm. And you just hit that start and it will also bring you back to your new user interface. Now, the third and what I consider the most difficult way to get back to it, and this is really meant for the people with touch screens, not really a mouse per se. It's a little bit harder with the mouse, and that's to bring your cursor down to the left-hand side, bottom, and then you'll see this little box and the start box come up. And let's get it come back up, you click on that start box, and it also brings you back up to the user interface. Well, I hope this helps some folks out there that were having issues figuring out and navigating around Windows 8 and how to get back to the user interface. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you do, make sure you comment on it, and have a great day, and hope to see you next time for our next Windows 8 tutorial.